Hey Shanks! Hello Momshies! Welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle. I'm a newbie here on YouTube. So thank you for being here today and for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So for today's video, we're going to do a quick get ready with me video. Kasi Daddy and Daddy, my husband, I call him Daddy. Daddy and I are running some errands today. So, hindi naman siya talaga need ng like full face makeup or heavy makeup. But, ano lang, yung everyday makeup ko lang or everyday look ko lang. So, yon. If you wanna see more of this video, then keep on watching. So, before we start with the video, just a heads up, may mga background noise kayong maririnig. I'm sure may maririnig talaga ito. So, sorry, huwag nyo na lang siyang pansinin. Okay? So, let's start. Shall we? So, nakalagay na ako ng moisturizer and sunblock sa face ko. So, let's start with concealer.
Kasi need natin ng concealer, besh. Yes, Momshie.
I'm sorry, parang shaky talaga yung camera natin. Nasa, ano kasi kami, nakapatong ko sa mattress. Anyways, I'm using Maybelline New York. May price pa siya. Sa Watsons ko siya binili, $2.49. Pero parang naka-sale to nung binili ko. Anyways, yung shade ko is number, like, honey, 30. Yeah. Oh my God! Sige, kamayin ko na lang. Haha! Sorry! I forgot to bring my sponge. We good. So, hindi ako magpa-foundation today. I'm just gonna use a mental block ako. Oh my God. Loose powder. Any loose powder. Minsan yung like Johnson's baby powder yung gamit ko. But right now, I'm gonna use Nichido. It's actually a final powder. Pero gusto ko siyang gamitin as, you know.
Momshie, hindi ako expert ng kilay, but yun nga, I'm good with this. Hindi ko na siya i-touch up or something like that. Hindi na ako gagamit na ano. Just simple lang talaga. Did I mention simple makeup?
I'm using pala a blush from Maybelline New York. Ito. Sobrang ano na. Lipstick, we are going to use our MAC Hot Tahiri Glaze Hot Tahiri. And so we're done. Yun lang. So, I'm just gonna fix my hair and papakita ko sa inyo yung OOTD ko. Okay? So, perfume natin is gagamitin natin Michael Kors. So, here's our look for today. Ponytail lang yung hair ko. Ay, basa. Huwag tularan mga besties. So, ito, polo shirt. Very comfy. I don't know anong cloth to, but it's really comfortable. Hindi siya mainit. And, ukay-ukay lang to, bes. Nabili ko like 7 for 100. Oh. Diba? And, like, I'm using my sling coach bag and leggings. Shopee ito. 99 pesos lamang. And, we're gonna be using our Michael Kors na shoes. Like, doll shoes. So, Shanks, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very quick lang talaga. And, yeah, ang ingay nila sa labas. I'm sorry. So, we're gonna go run some errands now. And, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And, and yeah, I hope to see you on my next one. So, bye guys. Bye. Bye, Shanks. Bye, Momshies.